What's up, guys? I would like to share with you with my experience of my Dream OLED monitor. The first one here we have the Samsung Odyssey G81 SF. It's a 32 inches size, and the second one we have the XG Asus ROG Strix XG UCD MG 27 inch, and also the white one we have the MSI 32 URX. So guys, in my experience, the brightest is the mm, this one, Samsung. I like the in HDR, guys, like I'm playing PlayStation. It's a bit brighter, so I prefer that. And also matte coating, it's easy to clean. Compare this one. This is a semi-gloss coating. I believe this XG USDMG, it's a 4 generation panel. But more scratch. It's easy. It is easy to scratch compared the third generation, guys. But it has a purple tint. This is more on black. So guys, to me, guys, if I choose which one for this three monitor, I will choose the Samsung Odyssey. The trade-off, guys, of the Samsung, guys, it's like if you there is a white content, all white. It's like a bit dirty compared to semi-gloss, guys. But it's not a big deal for me, guys. And also, the benefits of the coating, it's protection also to the screen, and it's easy to clean. And also, guys, when you are in HDR mode, in HDR settings, anything, guys, you can change the picture mode, which one do you like. And also you can change the gamma and then the white balance, like that. I adjust this one to red +5, green -1, and the blue is +1. So peak brightness is high, color space is native also, and that's it, guys. And I also this one adjust the panel care to high logo brightness. So, and then the black equalizer, I put it on 0. So that's my settings, guys. So to me, guys, the number one, it's my personal, this is me, guys. I would choose this Samsung. The build quality also, the style, it's better. It's a premium build. But I have already problem this one, guys. The power button of or the jog button of this one, it's already broken. Right? I use this one, it's about for 6 months already. And this one, the XGS DMG, I don't have any complaint for this also, because the when you are in HDR also, you can adjust also brightness, you can boost the brightness, and you can calibrate the just the brightness only. But I'll show you this MSI MPG 321 URXW. Like if you go on the settings, yeah, you can adjust the mode for that. It's already there. I don't want. And then this one, the Pro mode, you can adjust the echo to user, anti-blue, or movie. I just leave it this one to the Pro eco mode. And then that's it. I put this one on HDR peak 1000. But this one, you cannot adjust the like the RGB. Like the HDR, it's locked. Cannot adjust anything. You cannot adjust the brightness when you are in HDR mode. So color wise, it's good also. The benefits of the purple hue guys, this purple wish of this third gen panel, that like when you are in the dark game, the dark sense of this game, it's visible guys. Also, that's from my experience. So good also. This one, it's nice also. You cannot notice if you don't have a side by side for this three monitor. For me, then I like the style of the pixel refresh of that one. When I turn up, then I can make. There's no pop-up notification that you need to refresh the panel like this Asus and MSI. But what I like on the Asus guys, but it's more on vivid color. Also when you are in the sunrise or the reflection of the moon on the water, it's very bright also. I'm sorry for my content. What I speak is, I'm not a fluent guys and I'm not a vlogger. I just ordinary person only that I'm sharing what I my experience, and not good in English also. So that's it. Maybe that's it. See, and I adjust that one. The default color on this one, guys, the default settings, it's a bit green. So I adjust the red to plus and the green -1 and the blue is +1. So that's why the color now is more on accurate. The white is white, not see the fog. The color now it's white. Before it was green, like greenish. So this one also I connecting this one my G2000 edifier to my 3.5 headphone jack. And then also guys, there's one, the MSI, there's no volume button here when you have like this, when you have the speaker guys, there's no control to, there is no like sound control, there is no settings here. So you cannot control the volume when you have a sound on that MSI. So that's it guys. When I want to play in the smaller, I have the 27-inch. It's a good one also. That's the fourth generation. I believe guys this fourth generation also for this Samsung Odyssey J81 SF. So guys, I hope you like my video. Comment and I will answer what you want to ask.